everyone, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start chapter 12, Data File Handling. The objectives of my today's topic are: you will learn need for data file, what are streams, different type of streams like byte streams, character streams, standard streams, and the various operations performed on files. So students, please open your book at page number 301. Before starting with the topic, let us understand some important key terms. The first key term is data files. Data files are the text files that are placed in the computer memory and are used to store data. Just as we store our information in files, similarly in computer also we make the use of data files to store our information. And in this chapter we will be storing our information in the data files with the help of a program. The next term is stream. A stream is a sequence of data, that is a flow of data. Next term, input stream. This stream is used to read data from a source, means that where we are going to read our data. That is the source. For example, when we are entering our program, we are making the use of the keyboard. The next term is output stream. This stream is used to write data to a destination. Here, the destination word means the monitor screen, means where our output is being displayed. And in this chapter, our destination is files, where we are writing our data. The next term is Java byte stream, used to perform input and output of bytes, where each byte has 8 bits. Next, character stream, used to perform input and output for 16-bit Unicode. This is the character set, 16-bit Unicode character set. The next term, standard input, used to supply data to the user's program. And here the standard input is keyboard. Next, standard output, used to print data produced by the user's program. And here the standard output is the monitor screen. The last is standard error, used to output the error data produced by the user's program. Whatever error is there in the program is displayed on the screen. Let us begin with our topic, need for data file. A Java program can read data from a data file and can write data in a data file. When we want that our program output has to be preserved for a longer period of time, in that case, we make the use of data file. These files are located in the computer's memory. Next is the advantages of data files. The advantages of data files are: number 1, stores the data in the text files in the computer memory. Number 2, have a huge capacity of data storage. Number 3, can be accessed even without the Java program because they are located in the computer's memory. The next topic is streams. A stream is the sequence of data. There are two kinds of stream. Number 1, input stream, that is used to read the data from a source. And number 2, output stream. that is used to write data to a destination. So this diagram, it illustrates that how a program is read from the data source and then its output is displayed on the destination. On the basis of types of data, Java Stream is further divided into two types, Java Byte Stream and Java Character Stream. Java Byte Streams. To perform the operations on byte stream, we need the following classes. Number 1, file input stream. Number 2, file output stream. Now, I am going to show you the working of byte streams with the help of a BlueJ program. Here in BlueJ, I am going to show you the use of the two classes that are file input stream and file output stream. First of all, I am going to make a class wbytes to write the data into the file. Control A. For that, I will import a package io.star. Then public class wbytes here, then public static void main brackets, then here I will throw IO exception. Then I will initialize an array of type byte, capital is equals to, this is array initialization method. Let me give the name R, comma, A, comma, N, comma, C, H, I. Here I am specifying the name of the cities. Now, comma, then I want from the new line N, then again it's closed, again comma, then again now. Okay, here I am going to write only the name of the two cities. And then I'll close my array bracket, semicolon at the end. Now I will create an output stream. So for that, file output stream, then object if out is equals to new, then again the name of the class, that is file output stream, and in bracket I will write down the name of the file. Let it be capital dot txt, then bracket close, semicolon. Now with the help of our object if out, we will write these capitals into the file, like if out dot write, in bracket we will write down the name of the array, that is capital, and then bracket close, semicolon at the end, and then we will close our if out object with the help of close function. So in this way we have created our program, and in this program we have written the name of the two capitals Ranchi and Delhi in the file name capital.txt. Now students, we will compile our program. Class compiled, no syntax error, minimize it, right click void main. You may observe that there will be no terminal window. Why? Because with this program we have made a file capital.txt in computer's memory and my data is written over it. Now, to see that what are the contents of my required file, I have to write another program. So let us start. Now here I am going to create another program named as our bytes because we are going to read the data from the file. So for that, again we will write down import java.io.star, then public class r bytes, public static void main, then I will write down the class name, that is file input stream, because we are going to read the data from the file. I'm going to create its object name fin is equals to new file input stream, and in bracket I will write down the name of my file on which I have written the data, that was capital.txt, semicolon. Here I will be declaring a variable that I am going to use in my loop while p is equals to fin dot read is a function to read the data from a file is not equals to -1. It means until my data is there in the file, what the compiler will perform, it will print the output on the screen. So system.out.print, then in bracket char and then p. Here I have used explicit type conversion because my data was in the form of bytes and I have converted it in character form. Fin dot close, because we have to close every object that we have used in our program. So now I am going to compile my program. Class compiled, no syntax error, minimize it, right click, void main. So now see, this is my output, Ranchi, Delhi. So here I have created two programs. One to write the data into the file named capital.txt and another to read the data from the file. The next type is character streams. To perform the operations on character stream, we need the following classes. Number 1, file reader. Number 2, file writer. Now I will be showing you the demonstration of the character stream by using the file reader and file writer classes with the help of a BlueJ program. Now here in BlueJ I am going to show you the use of character stream class. For that we were having two classes, reader class and writer class. So I am going to make the change in this program only. In this program we have worked upon bytes. Now we will be using char. And here we will be using file writer class. So WRITER. And here also we will do file writer. Here it is WRITER. And now we will compile our program. Class compiled, no errors. In this way, we can make use of the file writer class. Now, here to read the data from the file capital.txt using the file reader class, here simply we are going to write file reader, and then is equals to, here we are going to do new file reader, and then we will be compiling our program. Class compiled, no error. And now when we will execute, it will return the same result, that is the name of the capitals Ranchi, Delhi. So in this way we can make the use of different classes as per according to the data type. The next topic is standard streams. Java provides 3 standard streams for data input and output. Number 1, standard input. A keyboard is used for standard input stream and is represented as system.in. Number 2, standard output. A computer monitor is used for standard output stream and represented as system.out, as you write in your Java program, system.out.println. So here system.out is the standard output stream. The third one is standard error. A computer monitor is used for standard error stream and is represented as system.err. This is related to the error class. Moreover, we can perform different operations on files like creating, closing, reading, writing, appending, searching. These are the various operations that we can perform on our files that are stored on our computer. The syntax for different file operations are: number 1, for creating. File writer, it is the name of the class. Then we will create an object is equals to new file writer, and in bracket we are going to write the file name. Then for reading, again for reading we are going to use file reader class. Then fr is an object of file reader class is equals to new file reader in bracket file name. For appending means for adding more text to the file. The syntax is file reader, name of the object is equals to new file reader in bracket file name comma true. Here true is a boolean value, which means that we can add more data into our file. The last operation is for closing. File object dot close. You always have to close the data file after the file operation is over. So students, I hope that you will practice all the BlueJ programs related to the file operations. Thank you.